In this video, I will quickly show you how to start on Fiverr and begin offering services online. First, go to the Fiverr website and create a free account using your email, Google, or Facebook. After creating your account, sign in and click the Become a Seller option to activate your seller profile. Next, complete your profile by adding a photo, description, and the skills you can offer. Then create a gig, which is the service you want to sell. Enter a clear title, choose the service category, and write a description explaining what you offer. After that, set your price and upload images or examples of your work. When finished, click Publish Gig to make your service available online. Your gig will appear for clients searching for that type of service. Over time, you can improve your services and receive more orders. And that's it. Now you know how to start on Fiverr easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.